Hello students, in the last lecture we discussed the basic properties of the graph and discussed the two important theorem of handshaking theorem, in which we discuss total degree of a vertex sigma I equal to 1 to n vi is equal to 2 into edges, and second property is odd number of vertices is always even. odd number odd degree of vertices is always even. These are the two important properties that are used in many times to solve many types of question that are asked in the UC net and gate. We discussed so much problem in the last lecture. Today we discuss one problem and then we see the next properties of the graph. Let's suppose in this case consider a simple graph with 35 edges such that 4 vertex of degree 5, 5 vertex of degree 4 and 4 vertex of degree 3. Find the number of vertex with degree 2. So, by using the handshaking theorem, 4 vertex of degree 5, 4 vertex of degree 5 plus 5 vertex of degree 4, 5 vertex of degree 4 plus 4 vertex of degree 3, 4 vertex of degree 3, and find the number of degree 2. So which are asked in the question, that is unknown for us, and we understand that that is a x, and degree of that vertex is 2, that is equal to 2 into ages is 35. 35 means 70. Total 5 into 4 20, 20 plus 20 40, 40, 40 plus 12 52, 52 plus 2x, 52 plus 2x is equal to 70. So 70 minus 52, 18, 18 divided by x, so total number of answer is 9. And this is asked in gate, same type of question. How we solve it? What is the number of 27 edges? So 2 into 27 is equal to 6 into 2 plus 3 into 4 plus remaining of degree 3 plus x into 3. Then calculate the x. So 27 into 2, 54. 54 equal to 12 plus 12, 24. 24 plus 3x. 54 minus 24, 30. 30 equal to 3x. Then x equal to 10. Then 10 is the correct answer. Next question. A simple non-directed graph G has 24 edges. 2 into 24 is equal to, and degree of each vertex is k. Degree of each vertex, let's suppose total number of vertex is x and degree is k, then which of the following is a vertex possible? So in this case we check the which is divisible. 24 into 2, 48. So 48 by x is equal to k. Then we calculate the how number of vertex is possible. Then vertex is always in the vertex is always in the whole number, either 1 2 3 4 and 1.5 2.5 3.5. It is not possible. Then we check the combination one by one. 48 by 20, that is in decimal, it is not possible. 48 by 15, it is not possible. Next is 10 by 14, again it is not possible. Next is 8. 48 by 8 is 6. तो मीन्स क्या है, 8, दिस कॉम्बिनेशन इज राइट. So this is a important theorem. It says, let's suppose minimum degree is sigma and maximum degree in a graph is represented by delta. Then minimum degree of the graph of the vertex Vg is always less than equal to 2 into e, and 2 e is always less than or equal to maximum degree of the graph. That is a very trivial property. Minimum degree is less than, or maximum degree is always less than. So we simply, many times we use this theorem to solve the problem minimum degree and maximum degree. So maximum degree is always greater than, and both are equivalent to the 2 into e, where delta G is the minimum degree possible of any vertex and delta is maximum the degree in the graph. This is a simple property. Next is G is a directed graph with n vertices and 25 edges such that each vertex has a degree at least 3. तो at least 3 का मतलब क्या हो गया, minimum degree is 3. Then delta G into number of vertex, let's suppose V is equal to 2 into 25. Then delta G is 3, so 3 into V is equal to 50. Then V equal to 50 by 3, that is in we check the whole, then it is a 17. Next is maximum number of vertex in a simple graph with 35 edges. 2 into 35 is equal to degree of at least 3. यहाँ भी at least 3. So both are, I think, same question, but 3 into V. So 35 into 2, 70 by 3 is equal to 3. At least, तो means क्या है, 3, 70 by 3, how much, 18, 19, 20 या 24 में 72, तो इट इज 23 पॉइंट समथिंग. तो आंसर एटलीस्ट 3 में क्या होगा, आंसर मस्ट बी 23. तो एटलीस्ट 3 में क्या है, एटलीस्ट 23 एंड सम आर द डिग्री ऑफ नेक्स्ट थिंग. इन द लास्ट इसमें अगेन इट मस्ट बी आंसर 16, not 17. Minimum number of vertex possible in a simple graph if